In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your project details using the project's dashboard. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick edits without second-guessing where to click or what to expect. First, open your workspace and look for the projects area. Depending on your setup, this might appear in a top navigation bar or along the left sidebar. It's usually labeled clearly as projects, and it takes you to a list of everything you're managing. If you don't see it, you might be in the wrong workspace, or you may need permission from an administrator, but in most cases it's right there on the main menu. Once you're on the projects page, find the project you want to modify. If your list is long, use the search bar to type a few letters of the project name to narrow it down. Filters and sorting can also help. Sorting by last, updated, or owner can bring recent or relevant items to the top. Take a moment to be sure you've selected the correct project, especially if there are similarly named entries. Confirm details like the current status or due date to make sure you're in the right place. Next, open the editing interface by clicking the edit icon for that project. This is commonly shown as a small pencil or a similar edit symbol next to the project name or in the row actions. Hovering over it often reveals a tooltip that says Edit. If you can't click it, you may have view-only access, so double-check your permissions or try a project you own. With the editor open, update your project details. This can include the project name, a clear and concise description, the status, relevant tags or categories, and important dates like start and due dates. Keep names consistent with your team's naming conventions so projects are easy to recognize later. In the description, write a quick summary that explains the purpose, key milestones, or any context teammates need at a glance. For dates, use the correct format, and be mindful of time zones if your team is distributed. If there are required fields, they're often marked with an asterisk, so make sure those are filled in to avoid validation issues. Small improvements here, like adding a tag or updating a status, can make your reporting and filters work much better. When everything looks good, click Save. Give it a moment to process. You'll typically see a brief confirmation, such as a banner or a checkmark, indicating your changes are stored. That's it. Your project has been updated and is now ready for your team to use.